Did you know that hydrogen makes up about 9.5% of your body mass? Did you also know that hydrogen is being used in cutting-edge fuel cell technology? More importantly, if you're an investor, did you know that on Tuesday, US President Joe Biden signed the Inflation Reduction Act, which includes $369 billion allocated for decarbonisation projects over the next decade. The act aims to lower costs for families, combat climate change, reduce the US deficit, and ask the largest companies to pay their fair share. Here are 4 companies that we believe stand to benefit from this injection of funds: Bloom Energy, Plug Power, Fuel Cell Energy, and Ballard Power Systems. All 4 of these companies are involved in efforts to help the world with achieving decarbonisation goals. They all use hydrogen, they're all using fuel cell technologies. There are some areas of overlap and areas of difference. I'll put links to their individual websites in the notes so you can do your own research, find out a bit more about each of them. Now, before we quickly look at the charts, could you please, if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel and maybe even leave a quick comment in the comments field. It really helps us to know that people are appreciating the videos, so we're encouraged to make more of them. More importantly, it encourages YouTube to show the video to more people. That'd be great. Thank you very much. Now, let's have a look at the charts. The first one we're going to look at is Bloom Energy. Now, with this chart, it really looks like there's been a bit of the old buy the rumour, sell the fact going on. There's been a very strong rally in the last few weeks. Tuesday, the prices fell back a little. But if we zoom out a bit, well, you can see even on this chart, the market has broken out of this big consolidation area. Looking longer term, it's quite a significant lift away from there. And the market's now at the highest level it's been at since November last year, about 9 months. So overall, not looking too bad. So that was Bloom Energy. The second one we're going to look at is Plug Power. Now, Plug Power similarly has had some good moves in the last couple of weeks, perhaps in anticipation of more funding for decarbonisation. We're starting to get this faster moving average turn up, and so this 50-day moving average getting close to crossing the 100-day moving average. That'll be a nice positive sign. Again, when we look back longer term, you can see the stock has really it's been volatile in the last few years, but this gain is looking quite positive. The next one is Fuel Cell Energy. Fuel Cell also has had a bit of run up recently. Just sort of paused below the 100-day moving average. We'll see probably a little bit of a pullback, but it wouldn't be surprising to see a bit of that type of activity after a breakout from that consolidation zone. So again, with the tailwind of the Inflation Reduction Act, we'll see it's well positioned to take advantage of that. And the fourth one we wanted to look at was Ballard Power Systems. Similar to the others, perhaps hasn't had such a big run up in recent weeks, and it is certainly coming off a low base. But chances are that if it can benefit from this expenditure in the Inflation Reduction Act, benefit from its exposure to hydrogen, fuel cell technologies, then maybe it'll take off like those other 3 that we looked at. But certainly all 4 of these well positioned for the future. Now, these stocks may not all surge in the next few days, but they are all well placed to enjoy continued growth into the future as the world continues to pursue decarbonisation. And now, of course, there's this extra support with the Inflation Reduction Act, giving a nice tailwind to the whole sector. Hope you found this useful. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.